Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Parameter.
What does the dictionary say?
A constant or variable term in a function that determines the specific form of the function but not its general nature, as in f, x equals x, where a determines only the slope of the line described by f, x.
Math rap.
When a value is already built into a function and it's a constant in an equation's construction, that's the parameter that we work around as we input other variables for an answer to be found.
Math rap.
Explain parameters in your own words. Parameters are almost like a set of rules that everything and everyone has to live by. What are parameters or rules that you live by? Mine? I like to treat people like I wish to be treated. Let's get measuring using parameters. Get into a group with 4 other people in your class. Use this formula. H in brackets age semicolon rate equals rate times age. Make a chart and record the rates of growth of each of your 5 group members. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!